Hello everyone, it's Alison here from learntotradecrypto.net. I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today I've got a few questions from members of my community asking if the crypto bull run is over. And to be able to answer this question, I want to look at some charts and let you know what my thoughts are. It was a massive bloodbath yesterday, which was May 19th, 2021, where we had over 40% correction. If you're new on this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, because when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out $100 in cryptocurrency, any one of your choice, I'll do that. And also when I get to 10K subscribers, I'm going to be giving out a free Ledger Nano S. So to help us answer this question, I want us to have a look at two charts. First is the chart of Bitcoin. What I did around the end of, around middle of April, I sent this chart out to members of my Telegram channel where we do cryptocurrency trading. And that was after Bitcoin made the all-time high. And I was a bit concerned because if you see this white line that supported Bitcoin up from what, around 10 grand or 12 grand, this line was broken. So that was my first feeling that we have probably come to the end of the bull run as we know it. Now, I'm not saying this is the end of the bull run, because in the run up to the 2017 bull run, we've had two major corrections of about, 40% each. So, but I had a feeling that that this current run would at the very least have a break. At the time I made that chart, we're around here. So what I projected at the time was that we're going to have a retest of the all-time high, and we ended up forming a head and shoulders pattern, okay? So that's what we ended up forming here. And it didn't look too good at the time. So make that white and make that to this. So we end up forming a head and shoulders pattern around here, and then around here, and from there was a bit of consolidation, and then we collapsed. I actually put this line here because if you do the Fibonacci retracement, it's probably around 61.8. So from this all-time high down here, which was a high, and then you could see we're around 78.6, just this zone here. So I knew that it wasn't very good. So the price crashed all the way down. Another chart we're going to look at is going to be the total market cap, okay? So when we got to this point around, I would say middle of this month, around 13th of May, I also sent a message to my Telegram channel. Let me see if I can get a message up for you guys. Let me see that. So these are charts I sent to my Telegram channel. Where is it here? Let me show you the exact chart I sent. So I sent this same chart that if total market, this was on the 9th of May, okay? So I saw all this coming in the Telegram channel. So if total market cap gets to this zone, I did say I will look to take profits, okay? So I started taking profits across my portfolio, because if you see previously, this has been respected, that has been respected, and that has been respected. I didn't see any reason why the market would not correct. So even though they're blaming Elon Musk and every other person for this drop, I think that technically this drop should have been anticipated. Moreover, the market has been rising since October, and I feel that that the correction was due anyways. Okay, so we already had this in the Telegram channel, and so we started taking profits, securing our profits in the areas where we're in profit. So the other chart, well, so this is the same chart which I have cleaned up a little bit. So yeah, and also something that concerns me now. So in answer to the question, if the bull run is over, I think it's probably, we need to see what's going to happen, because this is the support that Bitcoin has had, and that the total market cap, crypto market cap has had and it's been breached and breached majorly. This happened yesterday. So although we've had some recovery, but what I would like to see, I want to see it, of course, obviously get back into this channel. But even when we do, we have this white line here, which I have put here, because there is a potential, just like we saw with Bitcoin a few minutes ago, there's a potential for a head and shoulders pattern here as well, okay? So even if we do have a recovery, all the way back here, there is a potential for a head and shoulders pattern, and then we probably would head back down if we're not able to break it, okay? So, but what does this mean for you? If this comes here and cannot break it, and we begin to have this kind of situation we had with Bitcoin here, okay, then I will be taking even more profits off the table, okay? So there's no point selling at the bottom. I suspect that the price could come, total market cap could come back all the way here, and then I will look to take profits if that happens, okay? That is one scenario. The other scenario is testing the backside of this channel, which is pretty much the same thing, I suppose. I don't know why this is shaking, but that's pretty much towards the back end of this channel. So this channel has been acting as support, could now become resistance in this zone, okay? Could now become resistance, and then it's going to come down even further. So this might take us all through the summer. We're already in May. I don't know. But I'll be very keen to see if we come up to total market cap of around 2.3 again. If it doesn't break it and this becomes resistance, then I'll be looking to take even more profits, because the last thing you want to do is to see your profits disappear completely. Okay, so is the bull run over? In the grand scheme of things, probably not. But I believe that we are probably going to take a break, and that's what we're seeing now. And I know a lot of people are quite anxious about what to do. I would always say try and buy at support. This is what I teach in my Telegram channel, and that is my trading philosophy. You want to buy at support and then sell at resistance of some sort, okay? So those are my thoughts going forward about what I think about the crypto bull run. Bitcoin will still get to 100K, 250K, and ultimately even $1 million for one Bitcoin. I strongly believe that. But we have these corrections every now and then. The problem is people jump in really late. So to help you prepare in future, make sure, number one, you're only buying coins you believe in, coins with good fundamentals, great fundamentals in short, and you want to buy those coins at support. And you want to sell at resistance, keep some of your profit, and when prices crash, you never sell because you're keeping coins that you believe in. You need to work on your emotions. And yeah, so those are my thoughts about whether the bull run is over. Temporarily, we'll wait and see what happens at these levels I've shown you in this video. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll also leave links on my Telegram channel where I do quite a lot of, I post a lot of very important content, good content for my members and trading community to learn from. Okay, it's Alison here. Don't forget that when I get to 5K subscribers, I'm going to give out $100 in crypto. And when I get to 10K subscribers, I'll be giving out a Ledger Nano S. So if you're interested in getting more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll hopefully see you again in my next video.